Madami na rin niya na Karen.
The bait.
Yun, may huli na.
This is our string.
1, 2, 3.
Oh.
First time namin mag-crabbing. Sobrang daming tao ngayon. Wala. So, dito sa New Jersey, guys, hindi kailangan ng license para mag-crabbing. Sa-set up lang ako ng trap. Nawi, feeling ko mas madami pa yung crab trap kaysa sa mga crabs na nandito.
Oh, it's small.
It was a random. Oh man.
Bilis.
Kind of heavy.
Wala.
Nothing. We didn't get anything.
Pukatan natin.
This is trying to escape.
Uy, yung laki!
Daddy's so lucky. You want to go?
Mukha lang siya maliit kasi wide angle yung camera. More than 5.5 inches. Meron na tayong pang ulam.
Yes, at least we don't have to eat that raw chicken that was in the water and dip like, I don't know. Got one crabby.
Balik ko lang tong book na hiniram namin kanina. Galing may EV charging din dito.